Hey, whenever you try to use your Fire TV Cube remote and it gets stuck on this update in progress screen and at the same time refusing to move forward, don't worry, here the fastest way to get it working again. So in our case, you can say the Fire TV Cube is working well, but if yours is stuck on an update, one of the most commonly recommended fixes is to force a restart. So to do that, you just have to press and hold the select and play pause button on your remote for about 10 seconds. And then your Fire TV Cube should restart automatically. If that doesn't work in your case, just unplug the power adapter from the power source and wait about a minute, then plug it back in. In many cases, a simple power cycle is enough to get a stuck update moving again. But if that update seems to be stuck while updating the remote, you just have to remove the batteries from your Fire TV remote. Then grab your phone and download the Amazon Fire TV app from the App Store or Google Play Store, and then make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And now you have to open the app, sign in if needed, and select your Fire TV Cube from the list of available devices. Now enter the code shown on your TV screen to connect. Once connected, use the app as a temporary remote. So you just have to go to your TV settings, then My Fire TV, and about, select check for updates. And if you see any update available, just install it from here. And when you are checked that perfectly, just reinsert the batteries into your Fire TV remote and check if it's working properly again. But if you're still having trouble, try resetting the remote. Just press and hold the menu, back and the left button together for about 10 seconds until the light starts blinking. If it still doesn't pair automatically, you just have to use your phone remote and pair your remote from the settings and controller and Bluetooth devices, and from the Amazon Fire TV remote, you have to pair your remote manually here. And then you have to make sure another thing that your Fire TV Cube is connected to a stable internet connection, because sometimes a weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal can cause updates to freeze or fail. So now to refresh your network, just unplug your Wi-Fi router for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for the internet connection to fully return. And finally restart your Fire TV Cube one more time and check if the update completes successfully. And that's it. Hopefully one of the solution fixes the problem and got your Fire TV Cube updating again. So let us know in the comment which fix worked for you so it can help others as well. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes9 till then.